Hi, I'm Lori.
And I'm Rick.
And we are Here We Go Again Camping. Guys, we are bringing to you a new Byte Tango system by Haloview. And it's a pretty neat little contraption.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. I love doing installs on the camper, but this one I think is going to be really helpful, and especially for us.
Definitely.
So thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like it or if you find it helpful. Please subscribe to our channel, but stay tuned as we do this install and a review of this great product.
Okay, here we go. Actually, a rear view mirror camera that I can get on board with because I can see everything behind me now, just like a vehicle. That's the great thing about this system is you don't have to just look at your kids in the back of the camper anymore. You can actually see behind you. During the day, perfectly great camera, which worked really well. The big test was when we came into a major rainstorm. And when I say major, I mean it was coming down pretty heavy. And it still did a fantastic job. It really impressed me because it made me be able to focus more on what's in front of me instead of everything that was going on behind me, because it would warn me to things that were coming up behind. But like we could keep track of our Jeep that was behind us. It actually has a camera, a dash cam, so that every time we hit like a kind of a pothole or anything, the dash cam would come on. I guess it suspected that maybe something might be going on, so it comes on to record. But it has blind spot capabilities, so that if you notice this truck coming up behind us, it'll flash red. See the flash on the left? It shows us that someone is coming up on our left side. It also does it on the right, and it will give specific sounds if it's coming from the left or the right. So if you're not looking at it exactly when it flashes, you will hear a different bong bong or ting ting.
So campers, I will say there are so many products out there that are for camping, for Class A's, Class C's, whatever you have, your truck. But I'm just going out on a limb. I didn't have high expectations for this camera system because I just figured it's another camera. It's not going to be that life-changing. But this made traveling in our Class C so much better. Their rearview mirror is a waste of space. I've really wanted to just rip it off the windshield. However, the idea that we have a 10-inch screen now that goes on the rearview mirror, and it's actually useful. It does all the highlights. It's wireless. It's a really fantastic product, and I'm so glad that we have it. So it is a wireless 1080p rearview mirror, dash cam, and backup camera system with blind spot monitoring. It's high def rearview camera. As I said, it's 10-inch streaming media, high brightness screen with anti-reflection technology. It accurately identifies vehicles with excellent AI algorithms. That's right, AI. So this is a Byte Tango 11 system that also, as Lori amazingly featured, it has audible and visual alarms. So it's enhanced visibility in the rain. The rain really impressed me with, even that camera at recording, I don't really think it did it justice of how it actually was while we're in that moment.
Absolutely not, because I was the one driving and I was a nervous wreck, and Rick just kept on saying, "This is fantastic, so we can see how this mirror really works in the rain." And I'm thinking, oh my goodness, this is really heavy. But it did. It worked great. You could hear the sounds. You could see the flashing lights. I mean, so many people were pulled over, and we just kept on trucking. Yeah. And, I mean, it did a really, really great job.
And this does have, as Lori mentioned, when you hit like a bump or whatever, it does have G-sensor. It prevents the loss of important footage. It is easy to install, and it's capable with over 99% vehicles out there on the market. So here, you just seen some footage of actually what comes involved. Here's an SD card, which is it's great if you are actually in a collision, wreck, or something like it. You're going to have this footage recorded. and it is for your front and rear view camera. As you can see there, the front camera is in place, and you get in a head-on collision. Not very many rear view cameras are going to record footage from the front.
Correct. Yes. And it's easy to attach to the rear view mirror itself. So you're not taking off your actual rear view mirror. You're just kind of adding this to the front. It's thin. It's easy to install.
And remove if you need to or want to.
Yes. And the dash cam is attached to it on the left side. So we had to bring it out a little bit further from the rear view mirror so that it can actually take footage. And you can go in, you can see the things that's recorded, you can delete what you want to. I mean, once you get familiar with it, it's a pretty simple machine. I hate to say machine, but technology. And that's saying something because I'm not a tech savvy girl.
No.
So it was pretty good. And my son, of course, helped Rick put it in. So he's all about installing all of this fun electronic stuff.
Yeah, but what I will say is that it was easy to hire. I mean, there are a lot of cords. Even though this is a wireless system, the wireless part is from your screen to your rear view camera. It actually will, I guess it's antenna based because you have two antennas from this system in your cab of your vehicle to the camera has an antenna as well. And it's seamless. It is accurate. It is just what's going on around you is actually what you're seeing on the camera. There's no time delay is what I'm trying to say.
I mean, there is a broad span that you can see behind you, which I was actually really surprised about, because when you look at the rear view camera that comes for the backup camera for the camper itself, you have just a small view. Mm-hmm. But with this, you can get 3 lanes of view behind you. And of course, when something is coming up in your blind spot, it lets you know, as you could see earlier when the cars were coming up beside of us. Yeah. But it does hook into one of your charging units, so that takes away from something you might have been charging. But
it's well worth it.
It's well worth it, yeah.
Absolutely.
You just have to remember to unplug it when you get out of the car or anything, so not to drain your battery. I'm not sure how fast it would drain a battery, but I know it would drain one.
Yeah, I mean, it probably would, but that's good advice, Lori. But here, as you can see, we're doing the antenna here. These cords are easily, there's a couple of cords, but they're easily hidden. I think I showed some footage of how I did it, but the installation is super easy. This is pretty much it. The back of the installing the cameras, you just drill. I actually spliced into the lights of, and you'll see more of that. Splice into the lights, but there's GPS with this, which I love. I hear that they're coming up with some new cameras, new footage, so I'm excited to maybe get our hands on some newer of the product. But here I am actually just spliced into our rear lights. But we do, and by doing that, we do have to have our lights on to have the camera on.
Yes, our running lights have to be on constantly, and there must be why I'm thinking if you get out of your vehicle, turn off your lights, turn everything off, because that's what we have to do.
And there's the final product. You could just see a little cord running down from our camera to the running lights. And here is our factory installed light as well. So you do have to do a little bit of calibration with this. It's easy to do. You just need, what we did is actually a parking lot.
We did. We calibrated on a big parking lot and used the parking spaces as the lanes.
And it's all touch screen, which is another reason why I love this. How many rear view cameras or mirrors are out there that are touchscreen that you can use? And guys, this footage is fantastic. Check out their website. We will actually have a link in the description where you can check out this product for yourself. We really appreciate you watching. We can't speak highly enough of this product.
I mean, it was very useful. I was a little skeptical because, again, I'm not a technology person, but it really did go well. I mean, the installation, I was a little skeptical about the wires, but my husband did, and I'm giving him credit, did a great job hiding them, because I hate just all kinds of wires and stuff not where it's supposed to be. But he did a great job of hiding it, so I didn't have to look at it all the time.
Yeah, I mean, Lori, she just looks at me when I say, "Hey, I've got a camera for us to install on the," she's just ready to. She just totally throws me down the road.
I'm done.
Yeah, but thank you for watching, and check out this product. Hi, campers! Thank you for watching our video. We really appreciate all the support.
And guys, if you want to check out some other videos of ours, click up here. And if you want to become a subscriber, which I hope you will, click down here.
Yeah, also you can check out our apparel shop by clicking over here. But until next time,
safe travels and God bless.